Long time ago, when I was a kid in school, I used to think like a fool. Let me share a story with you. One fine evening, when I was in a boarding school in Missouri, I received a letter from my father. He had made an appeal to us, me and my brother, that we should focus more on academics and really excel in it. Thinking about it, decided, okay, let's give it a try. Next morning, we had our algebra class. Our mathematics teacher, Mr. Subramaniam, walked inside the class, went to the board, and wrote a plus b whole square. I was totally focusing on the board. Then he wrote a plus b whole square equals a square plus b square plus 2ab. I was like, I got it, sir. I can remember it. So I closed my eyes and I started mugging that up. Okay, a plus b whole square is a square plus b square plus 2ab. Repeating it like n number of times, when I felt confident that okay, I got it, I opened my eyes, and when I opened my eyes, I saw another enigma on the board, and it was a minus b whole square. I was like, okay, and it was written a minus b whole square equals a square plus b square minus 2ab. I was like, I need to pass the examination. I really have to excel in the examination. So I closed my eyes and focused totally on these two identities and tried to remember them, try to understand the nuances. And when I was pretty confident that I have caught the devil by its neck, I opened my eyes. And when I opened my eyes, my world had turned down, because the whole board was filled with something like a plus b plus c whole square, a square minus b square, a plus b whole cube, a minus b whole cube. I was like, what the heck? I don't like mathematics. Mathematics is not my cup of tea. So I was doing something very foolish that day. But now mathematics is something which need not to be mugged, but rather something which need to be understood. Now let's try to understand what is a plus b whole square. So let's begin with a. Let's imagine a rope of length a, something like this. You have a yellow rope of length a unit. Imagine another rope of length b unit. Now you have two ropes. One is a unit, the another is b unit. Try to tie them together, or means try to add them. So when you add them, a and b, when you put them side by side, you will get a longer rope of length a plus b. Now you have a longer rope of a plus b unit. Try to create one more copy of this length and try to create something like this. So you got a L shape or right angle system with two edges. Both the ropes are of the same length, a plus b, a plus b. Try to create one more copy and put it here. Try to take one more copy of it and put it here. So you have created what? Something like this, a square. Now you have got a square whose side is a plus b. Now what is the area of a square? Side into side. So you can say the area of this square is going to be a plus b into a plus b, which is a plus b whole square. So okay, a plus b whole square is not that Latin and Greek. It means the area of this complete square. Now try to see that you have this S, the end point of this yellow rope, and the end point of this yellow rope. Try to attach them with a, let's say, a white thread. So what you see? A white thread. So you have divided this whole big square into two rectangles. Now try to see this end and try to see this end. Also try to attach this. So what you got? You have broken the whole square into four quadrilaterals. Out of four, you got two squares and two rectangles. One a big square, a small square, a vertical rectangle, and a horizontal rectangle. Now let's try to see the big square. If you try to see the big square, you have got a side a by a. What will be the area of this big square? That's going to be a square. Now let's try to see the smaller square. You have got a smaller square with side b by b. What will be the area of this smaller square? That is going to be b square. So area of big square is a square. Area of small square is b square. Now let's try to see the area of this vertical rectangle. You have the breadth as b and the length as a. What is the area of rectangle? Length into breadth. So you can say this is a into b. Now let's try to see the area of the horizontal rectangle. You see, this is length A and this is breadth B. What will be the area of this horizontal rectangle? AB. Now you see, this is A square, this is AB, this is B square, this is AB. So what you can say? That okay, A plus B whole square, which is the length area of the square, equals A square plus AB plus B square. Now you see, AB plus AB both are same. So if you add them up, what you will get? Twice. So you can say A plus B whole square equals A square plus 2AB plus B square. So this is A plus B whole square. It's making sense, right? Can you do the same drill for A minus B whole square? Go and do it.